welcome to Mrs. Bays' 6th grade math video lesson. This is division of whole numbers number 2. We're going to focus on 2-digit divisors. Please do not use a calculator. You may use your multiplication chart. Let's begin by looking at our division vocabulary. We have 3 words. This is dividend, divisor, and quotient. We also have division symbols we need to use. We have the traditional division symbol, which I like to call crazy eyes. The second symbol is our long division symbol, and the third is the slash. We use the slash most commonly when we are working on a computer, and we do not have the choices of these 2 symbols. Let's look at our first example. We have 650 divided by 13 equals 50. The first number is our dividend. The second number is the divisor. And the answer to division, that's the quotient. Now let's look at an example where we are using the long division symbol. Notice the first number, when it's written horizontally, is the dividend. It goes inside the box. So again, the number inside the box is called the dividend. The second number, when written horizontally, is the divisor. That is written outside of the box. And again, the answer to division is the quotient. Let's look at standard algorithm, and this is normally called long division. So the question or the problem is written horizontally, 650 divided by 13, and we're going to find the answer. But we're going to do long division, so let's first write the division symbol. The first number, which is the dividend, goes inside. The divisor goes outside. And now let's begin. We need to find out how many 13s can we get out of 6? Well, you can't. So that means we put a 0 above the 6 and multiply 0 times 13, which is 0. Now subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. And then we bring that next number down into place. So now we have 65. So now we go back up to the divisor, 13. How many 13s can we get out of 65? Well, you probably might want to think about going to the side and making a few notes. So let's do that. 13 times 4. Let's try that. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 52. Well, 52 is close to 65. I wonder if we can get any closer to 65. Well, let's try. So we're going to make another note over here on the side. 13, let's try timesing by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 65. Well, that's what we're looking for. So how many 13s can we get out of 65? 5. 5 times 13 is 65. So we subtract. 65 minus 65 is 0. Do not let this 0 trick you. In the dividend, we have 3 digits. We need to be able to find the number that goes in ones place, which means we need to bring this 0 down into place. How many 13s can we get out of 0? Well, 0. And 0 times 13 is 0. So we subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. It is this 0 that tells us two things. It tells us that we are finished with our work, and it tells us we do not have any remainders. So our answer to 650 divided by 13 is 50. Now let's look at another method to solve this problem called the box method or box division. The problem 650 divided by 13 is, we're going to find out. So we take the first number, and notice it has 3 digits, so we need 3 columns. The first digit goes in the first column in the upper right corner. That's a 6. We're going to put the 5 in the middle column in the upper right corner, and the 0 we're going to put in the last column in the upper right corner. 13 is the divisor. It goes out front. Let's begin. How many 13s can we get out of 6? Well, 0. 0 times 13 is 0. And now let's subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. But now we're going to carry that number to the next column and put it in front of the 5. So now we have 65. 13 goes into 65 how many times? Well, I'm going to make a note down here at the bottom so we can find out. Let's start with, let's say, 13 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 52. 52 is close to 65. Can we get any closer? Let's try. So we're going to take 13, and let's try timesing by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 65. And that's what we're looking for. So how many 13s go into 65? 5. 5 times 13 is 65. We subtract. 65 minus 65 is 0. But don't let this trick you, this 0 trick you, because look, we have another column we need to have work for. So I'm going to carry the 0 to that third column. Now I ask myself, how many 13s can I get out of 0? Well, the answer is 0. 0 times 13 is 0. We subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. It is this 0 that tells us two things. We are finished with the problem, and we do not have any remainders. So now our answer to 650 divided by 13 is 50. Now let's look at the practice I would like you to do. This is division of whole numbers number 2, concentrating on 2-digit divisors. Please rewrite the problem. You have 2 methods that I've shown you that you can use. Do not use a calculator. You may use your personal whiteboard or paper and pencil, and you can use your multiplication chart. Please follow the link to Edge Elastic. When you put in your answers and hit submit, it will tell you whether your answers are right or wrong. If it's wrong, well, it'll tell you either way if it's right, but when it's wrong, you will see what the correct answer is supposed to be. Thank you.